so pretty. Like, y'all gotta get them. Flawless. Wait, Smoke and Mirror Flawless. It's a 28-piece eyeshadow. And it has 28 colors, 28 different eyeshadows. And this one is from Five Below, y'all. And look how much it was, $5. And it's really, really, really pretty. Like, y'all, oh my God. Look at them colors. Like, look at that. That is gorgeous. 28 different colors, glitters, all type of new colors, you know.
Yeah, that was pretty.
And again, this one was from Five Below. $5. And it's called Flawless. And I also got this one from my local beauty supply, and this one was $10. It's called Neon Brights, and this one has 25 different eyeshadows, and these colors are very, 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 very pigmented, and it's wonderful. And as you can see, I use very little of it, you know, but these are some really pretty bright colors, you know, some colors for the summertime, you know, 25 different colors you can choose from. Like, I absolutely love this palette. Like, y'all, those are some, I know y'all probably can barely see it because of the light, but let me see. But yeah, these colors are gorgeous. Oh, there we go. These colors are so pretty. Y'all should really get into it. Try your beauty supply store, or you could probably look. I'm pretty sure you can find it online. They probably got it online, but I got this from my beauty supply store, and it was only like under $10, or probably $10 at the most. And there's 25 colors here, and like I said, it's very pigmented. And I'm gonna show y'all this other palette again, but this one is called Neon Brights. Very beautiful. I mean, it's 25 colors. You can't go wrong with.
Nigga, why is you big on coke if you that cold?
These, but this is a really pretty palette. Y'all get into it. It's a little light. But I'm gonna show y'all this one again because, of course, the light was in the way. Like I said, it's 28 different colors. It's glittery, and it's really, 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 really nude and like a go-to color. Bro, like if you want to just do something simple.
Find somebody else to guard.
Yeah. But yeah, these colors are pretty. And again, this is from Five Below for $5. So far y'all seen Neon Brights and Flawless. About $9, $5. Five Below Beauty Supply. This one has 16 eyeshadow colors, and this one is called MK Sunset Sangria. And it looks like this, and these colors are beautiful too. Like, oh, they're so pretty, y'all. It looks like this. Very pigmented as well. Very pigmented. And this is what the front looks like. And the last one that I have is Girl Power. And this is a 12-piece eyeshadow palette. And this one was from Five Below for $5. And this is wonderful. Like, this is what it looks like. Pretty. These palettes are gorgeous. And you get these cute little shimmery glitter, you know, eyeshadow palettes. And this was $5 as well from Five Below. So if y'all want to go the cheap route, or you shopping on a budget and you want to get something cute, go to Five Below and get y'all these palettes. Like, they're so pretty. I just love the colors. I just love the colors. Oh, I'm gonna do a thumbnail. So yeah, these are all the ones that I showed y'all. Go get them because they are worth every dime and you'll be satisfied. So ooh, that's it for this video. I just did a makeup video, not even really much of a makeup video because I was doing a lot of talking. But thank y'all for tuning back into my video. If you don't know who I am, my name is LaShawn, pretty LaShawn at that. And if you don't know who I am, just go ahead and subscribe to get to know me. And if you do know me, thank you for subscribing and sticking along. That's it for this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Everybody be safe and most importantly,